What's good, traders, and welcome to the Trading Journal here at Usdchf. The Trading Journal is a video journal where we post every trade we take, whether it be a losing one or a winning one, and we show you how we do our analysis from the start all the way to how we exit the trade and trade management and all that good stuff. So for this trade, it was a USD franc. It was a bearish cipher pattern. So as we all know, a cipher pattern has an X to A to B to C to D leg completion. So usually how a cipher pattern works is that the first retracement, the X to A leg, has a so I was looking at this leg. This was the starting leg. X to A. It has a 382 to 0.618 retracement level, and if I were to show you that on the chart, you can see that price completed at our 0.5 level right here. So if I were to draw a line, this is the X leg, this is the X to A and A to B leg. So now we have our X to A and A to B. We are looking for our B to C. So a B to C leg is usually a 1.272 to 1618 retracement of the X to A leg, which is let me just write it out for you. X to A to B to C. So we have our X leg here, we have our A leg here, we have our completion of B here, and our C would be the 1.272 to 1618 of the X to A leg. So if we were to take an extension of this X to A, what do we get? We get a C completion right at 1.272. Price rejected 1.272 before making its way up. So a completed cipher pattern completes at the 786 of the whole leg X to C. So a 786, let us see where it brings us. So we have a 786 and price completes here. So if I were to draw that out for you, it would look like this. Right here, and this is where I entered my trade. I had a sell limit order here, and my targets were all the way down here, and my stops were above. Usually our stops will have to go above the X leg, above the previous structure, which is this one right here. So I had my stops around here. As you can see, it didn't really hit. It was about maybe 10 pips away from hitting target. However, my active trade management was price made its way down, came here, and when it did this, I had my stops moved up to half of my position. So the trade was targeting over 40 pips. I had my stops around 20 pips. So this was where I exited before I got stopped out here. So 20 pips. Usually a cipher pattern, you would have your targets at the 382 level. However, I was more aggressive because I could see that USD franc has been in a bearish mood. So I was thinking, okay, if I can aim for targets below, then possibly price could hit that area. However, that didn't turn out to be the case, as price, as you can see, recently just made its way up. So 20 pips for this trade, will take it any day. It's a very good cipher pattern trade, and just wasn't my luck that it had completed at structure below. If you had taken conventional targets right here, you would have conventional targets would usually be the 382 level. So if you take a Fibonacci of the 382 level, you would see that price did hit it, as you can see it here. So that was conventional targets, but I had a more aggressive approach to this. So I was unfortunately stopped out, but 20 pips, I will take it any day. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next trading journal.